And the following question says, solve for x if w plus 2 is equals to x plus 1. So here we need to substitute the value of w from the previous question. 7 minus x plus 2 is equal to x plus 1. Then we can move the 2 to the other side to get root of 7 minus x will be equal to x. 1 minus 2 will give us minus 1 on that side, and then we can square both sides. So squaring this just gives us 7 minus x. Squaring this will result in x squared minus 2x plus 1. So if you don't know how to do it directly, it would be more beneficial for you to do it by expanding these two brackets out and then foiling out. Everything in this bracket should multiply everything in that bracket. But this method just squares the first term, squares the last term, then multiplies these two together, and then the result multiplied by 2 to get the middle term. So x times minus 1 is minus x times 2 is minus 2x. So yeah, that's the quicker way to do it. And then at this point, you can collect your like terms. You will get x squared minus x and minus 6 is equal to 0, because minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1, 1 minus 7 is minus 6. And then at this point again, you form two brackets, x, and then the factors of 6 that will give us minus 1 when we add would be minus 3 plus 2. Also, minus 3 times 2 gives us minus 6, so that works out. So we have x minus 3, x plus 2, and then you get your answer as x is equals to 3 or x is equals to negative 2. But whenever you work with a root somewhere in your question, it's important that you verify both of your answers to make sure that they both give you a value that is indeed correct, or they both satisfy the condition of this equation. Basically sub back into the equation. So for the first value, we would have 7 minus 3 plus 2 has to be equal to 3 plus 1. I just substituted the value of x with 3. So 7 minus 3, that gives us 4. 4, or the square root of 4 would be 2. 2 plus 2 gives us 4. 3 plus 1 gives us 4. This one is fine. And then we try it again with minus 2. So 7 minus 2 plus 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 1. So from this we get 7 minus negative 2, that gives us 9, plus 2 would give us, on this side, minus 2 plus 1 simplifies to minus 1. And then here root 3 would give us, root 9 would give us 3 plus 2, and that would be 5 is not equal to minus 1. Therefore, this one will not satisfy the condition of our equation, and yeah, then your answer will be just x is equal to 3.